As you probably guessed, there's 5 new colors this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? You count.
3, 2, 1.
Boom. Oops, that one's backwards. There we go. Okay, so we have Tarnished Pearl, Aviary. This is my color, custom designed by me. Cherry Picked.
And then we've got Firestarter and Liquid Sunshine.
Who doesn't need a little liquid sunshine, especially when January comes around? I mean, like paint that everywhere.
Sounds like a plan to me.
First color I'm starting with is Cherry Picked.
I can't wait to try out this Firestarter. I love oranges.
All right, so Cherry Picked is a deep, I would say, what, eggplant?
Yeah, it looks very eggplantish. Like, yeah. I want to eat it.
I would say it's in the red purple family. Not as cool as the other purple that we have.
This orange is very bright. Firestarter is very appropriate for this, and I am loving it on this little dresser. I think we need to do some orange dressers at the house, at least maybe in my garage.
Absolutely. It's a little not farmhouse, but it could be garage. Definitely would be cute in a kid's room, or for color blending, it will be awesome. And fall is coming, so many a pumpkin decor painted with that color. So if you're watching this video, that means it's my birthday and we're working on the color release. Aviary. This is our farmhouse green, custom picked by me. Debbie told me I got to pick one color, so I had to make sure it was super good. And I am seeing this color green all over the place in farmhouse decor, and I really wanted to add it to the DIY lineup. I'm gonna come across the bottom of my display here and stencil a cute little design because this wall is a little bit boring. So I'm just using my JRB stencil brush. These are coming out in a few weeks, so we'll let you know when they're up. I'm gonna dab in Aviary, offload it, stencil my wall. Next, I'm painting with Aviary, which you guys already saw because I stenciled with it. Aviary is the perfect farmhouse green. It pairs well with whites and neutral tones. It's got an earthy quality, which I really love.
This Liquid Sunshine is also bright. I got the bright colors.
You're having a bright day over there.
Yep.
I'm also thinking that this Aviary will be my official Christmas shade of green this year.
Oh, that'll be a fun green. It's very sagey.
Yeah, I like it. It's like a muted, you know me, farmhouse. Gotta mute stuff. So Tarnished Pearl is a long-awaited neutral white. It's more like an ivory, and it's not yellow based. If you're looking for an off-white that's in the brown family, this is it. It's beautiful. If you want to see all of these complete, dry, and photographed up close, be sure to stay tuned. After our sign out, we'll have good pictures of all of them sealed. Liquid Sunshine, Firestarter, Aviary, Cherry Picked, and Tarnished Pearl. Also, we're releasing the DIY brush cleaner because if you want to brush like a boss, you got to clean those brushes.
This is the new Liquid Patina Old and Gray, and it is amazing.
It's essential to all your farmhouse decor. We're going to show you a little sneak peek of our jewelry bar done in Old and Gray.
We're really excited about all of these new colors, lots of options, and furniture to be painted.
Be sure to go to JamiRayVintage.com. You can pick up all these products, also the Jami Ray Vintage Lehi store and Plant Bar AZ. We'll include all those links in the description box. Like I said in our last video, friends don't let friends miss out on DIY colors, so share this video by clicking the share link below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.